Hi, I'm Charmaine Lord, and it's Cocktail Friday, and I am making a adaptation of an adaptation. I found this in the New York Times. It's called a Jamaican Margarita, but I'm not using tequila. Sorry. Even though this week was Margarita Day, I think the 23rd. So I'm going to use white rum. I do have hibiscus syrup. And of course, I do have the sepals because this is a staple in Jamaican homes, especially at Christmas, and I have some left over from Christmas. We call that sorrel. And I am rehydrating some of those beautiful blossoms to use in the garnish. So it should be fun. Hibiscus syrup, lime juice, white rum, a little dash of orange bitters, and some hibiscus to garnish, as well as some orange. What do you think? So, dear home bartender, as you know, I experiment with you. We do this together. We learn together. It's fun. We can't go out to a bar, so why not just try this at home? That was 2 ounces of the white rum, 1 ounce of the hibiscus syrup, 1 ounce of the lime juice. Get yourself a nice shaker. This is pretty easy. And then we'll just strain that into a martini glass. You could use a coupe glass. And I have got me a few little sepals. And they're so pretty. Oh, I forgot. This I just can't resist. Just put a drop of that in and a drop of my mandarin orange and a twist of my mandarin orange. Happy Friday! Wow. Could use a little more sweet, actually. I think I'll put a drop of my simple syrup in there, just to balance it out. It's a little, but very good. Have a great weekend. Stay safe.